are some solutions to organizing the littlest room in the house?
Well, first of all, how many curling irons have you burned out because you forgot to turn them off? It's also a real hazard for fire. So I have a timer here. You can just turn this on for 30 seconds, and at the end of 30 seconds, it automatically turns your things off.
You don't turn them off, they get hot in no uncertain terms.
That's right. So for those small spaces, though, this is one that will decorate your bathroom as well as take care of your towels. So I have a little basket here for the washcloth, so when you want to wash cloth, you just take one out, Jane. Your bath towel, you just take it right out of the
Yeah, if you don't have a linen closet in the bathroom, most of us do not. Little linen closet in the basket.
And it'll really work well. Or to organize, it seems like that bathroom is one of the hardest places to organize. So this is a knife and fork drawer organizer. This is a carry-all that you carry your cleaning supplies in, and that can go underneath a cupboard and have all of the shaving creams and things like this. Or I even took a muffin tin and put small items into that, and that can slip into a drawer and be pulled out and help keep things organized.
I'd already thrown a 1 out of 3.
Oh, you're doing good, Jane. And this one...
I've known you long enough.
This is just an old scrub brush. This is actually a brand new one. But for all of those little combs that you put into, this will hold them really well, so you can just pull those in and out, and you can see them, and it does keep them organized, and you can find them. Or you can see this is just the end of a rope for decoration, and you can put combs in the bottom of that, and that works really well. For all the brats that often get around and get lost, this is the problem, Jane.
Brats get lost? Are you kidding?
They're mixed up everywhere. You can take a rope like this and just snap those on, and that will hold them together and keep them organized so you know exactly where they are, and you can see what you have.
Kind of pretty, too.
And then in the bathroom, so easy for children when they're small to pull the towels off the towel rack. So if you'll notice right down here, I put snaps all the way across the bottom part of that, so they snap together.
For example, snapped?
It's snapped. We have about 5 snaps on the bottom of it. So when you hold this, Jane, you can pull it. It also makes it possible to turn the towel around and have the clean area.
Only the clean side showing,
That's right. So you can use it twice as much. And then for those midnight camping trips, this is called the Midnight Survival Kit. You remove the cardboard part out of the toilet roll, put it in a zip-top bag, you pull this off, so in the middle of the night you can turn your flashlight on and find your way into the woods, Jane, and if you can't find your way back, you just leave a trail behind you and you can always find your way back.
Classic Dian Thomas. Thank you, Dian.
Thank you.
This late word